YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be moving into my Matco service cart. I think in the past I've done real quick video clips of it while I was going to school. I also recently, before I moved, posted a video of my Matco $5,000 worth of Matco tools video. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. That's everything that was stored inside of my Matco service cart right here. And today we're actually just going to go into and take a look at it and provide you with some information on it. So this is going to be the Matco Jamestown 750 series service cart. I'll give you more information on that, but right now it's just got the bare minimum of what tools I have here at the new house. None of my previous tools that you guys have seen. So when that arrives and I repack this toolbox with its tools, we'll do a toolbox tour of it and my Husky together. So that should be a pretty good video. So stay tuned for that, but let's get into the information and kind of show you around this box. But I do have the key for this, and it is the Matco style, which I really like. The locking systems worked great, so really like this locking system. It's gonna be a 5-drawer Matco service cart. Here you can see it. As you can tell, the garage is still pretty empty. So, one second. So, like I said, this is the Jamestown service cart 750 series. They have a lot of different service cart series. This is going to range anywhere from roughly $1,100 to $1,900, depending on if you get a student discount, instructor discount, any kind of discount. But full price is going to be around $1,900. It's also available in many different colors. This is the fire red with the stainless steel flip top. The stainless steel is resistant to chemicals and can support up to 200 pounds just on the stainless steel top itself. Like I said, a 5-drawer. It is 4 black casters, 6-inch casters. Each one is a 600-pound caster. Here you can see it has the standard bumper protection, the black bumpers on the side of the cart. So if you're using it and you run into something, you know, it helps protect the box. So other than that, it's going to be 46 inches tall from the bottom of the caster, or the floor, all the way up to the stainless steel top. That's not with the stainless steel top lid open, and I don't have a tape measure here to give you that information. It is roughly 41 inches wide from bumper to bumper, and as far as depth from front of the drawer to the back of the service cart, it's going to be 22.5 inches deep. Now this is going to come with a standard 1-year warranty. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Keep in mind, there's not a whole lot in here. Very bare minimum stuff. So this is just kind of a quick little look at it. I like how you unlock it and the top stays shut, but if you set anything on it and it's not heavy enough and it's unlocked, it's gonna go ahead and open up. So it does have dual shocks on it. Matco decal, your little grommet here for power stuff. It's going to have 22 holes for your pry bars and screwdrivers and all of that good stuff. So plenty of room up here in the top for your pry bars, screwdrivers, mirrors, picks, stuff like that. Now, I do like this. You don't get a pick. This is what I received for going to college. You don't get to pick what box. It's either this or this smaller, like 4-drawer little service cart where it's open at the bottom. So 98% of the students choose this box just because not only are you getting more tools, you're getting a better box for the money that you're paying. Now, I didn't pay for this because the VA covered it. I did have to wait a while for it to get cleared so I could bring it home. But you guys saw this little video maybe a few days ago. I posted that. I will be doing a video on this Carlisle Tools catalog. That should be a good one. It comes with the insert for the drawers in the top. Now, there is another box that Matco makes with the sliding top, which is really nice because you can still use that as a work surface even with your box open, where this, you can't use the top if it's open, obviously. But looking at the first drawer, I don't have the depths of the drawers, so just bear with me. When I get everything here, I'll do an updated, better video of this. But there's the Southwire stuff that I received a little while ago. I did a quick review on. Also the Capri Tools 100 tooth ratcheting wrenches. The Capri Tools screwdriver set. This is around $50, not 70. And then this is around 130 or 140, somewhere around in there. And then you just got random crap in here. But, and they do have the adjustable slides, so if it's too stiff, you can adjust it to where you like it, depending on how easy or hard you want the drawer to open. So I really like that feature. This drawer is empty. The first 4 drawers are going to be the exact same size, and then the bottom one is going to be your bigger drawer. But here I just keep these little organizers for now. My sanding discs, that Top Done scanner I still need to do a review on. Next drawer down is going to be empty once again. Don't worry, this thing will be packed full, actually more than full. There's a caulking gun, another air compressor I need to do a review on. The air compressor that I'll probably include in my 7,000 sub gift giveaway, as well as that Tac Life impact socket set that I have right up here. But it's coming along. As the garage gets put together and everything gets here, the videos will improve, I promise you guys that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little look at the Matco 750 series service cart that I have here. So that's just the quick look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching.